Hey guys, Richard here. So once again, I'm back with a you want to call it series. This time I'm doing 3 quick digital marketing tools you could be using as a digital marketer, normal marketer, even just a small business owner, honestly. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Hopefully one of these tools you haven't seen, or at least you've heard of but or might have not seen. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so tool number 1 is copy.ai. They recently raised a huge amount of funding, and so this is developing into a really cool tool. I've used it just from the get-go as well, so it's a really awesome tool. But yeah, let's check it out. I'm gonna do a little demo just to kind of give you a bit of understanding of what they do. So Copy.ai helps you basically, create copy using AI. Now, they have different things you can do. For example, you can see here product descriptions, ad copy, startup tools even. And really, this is really great for someone who just needs a bit of, motivation or inspiration. They definitely can create a whole bunch of copy, but you do have, need to come in and edit it a bit, honestly. But it will give you a really great start. So let's try something, right? Let's do product blog intro. Let's do, I'm a let's say marketing manager, and let's create the project. And what's your blog title? All right, let's go 5 marketing beginner tips. I don't even need to put this, to be honest, but let's go 5 marketing beginner tips. I want to create easy tips for small business owners to better their marketing. I literally just created this in my head. There's no script here. Friendly tone, yep. So let's create copy and let's see what they do. So this tool is great if you, as I said, if you want to start a blog, create Facebook ad copy or anything, honestly. But then you have, this is a blog intro. So this basically gives you a bit of intro. For example, it's possibly good at everything, to be honest. Many of us, wish we were great marketers, better marketers. So then you can start looking at different ways you can intro. So for example, this one I do like a lot more. Small business marketing can be a little overwhelming first. I do actually like that as a first intro. My hope is that you'll start with these ideas and continue learning. Yep. So for example, this is a pretty good idea, man. I'll probably save this and I'll copy this and I'll work off that, for example. But even then, you can even do a blog outline. You can do blog titles. There's so many things you could do here. Like, oh my God, like when I first started using this tool, they had like 5 things, and now they've like close to probably 100. So honestly, give this tool a try. In my opinion, it's a really great tool if you're a content marketer, if you're email marketer, if you're any type of marketer, if you're a small business owner, honestly. So yeah, go check it out. I'll put a link in the description below. Tool number 2 is Ubersuggest. Now, Ubersuggest is Neil Patel's version of, I guess, Ahrefs or SEMrush, but it's a really great tool to basically figure out SEO keywords or just content keywords. If you're writing on Medium, if you're writing in general, if you're writing SEO, if you're working on your website, well, this will basically help, right? So I'm gonna go do another demo here. Let's go. So obviously you can sign in and stuff, but I would just do a little demo here. So let's figure out some keywords. So let's say bicycles. So bicycles hire, bicycle hire. Let's give it the plural. And let's do search. I'll do US here, and we'll see what it comes up with. Basically, this will give you some ideas on what keywords are heavily competing, or keywords that have opportunities for you to, find opportunities in. So for example, you can see here search volume 70. So not that much search volume, which means that you probably want to find something keywords wise which has a bit more volume. So as you can see here, bicycle for hire near me, that in general as a longer term keyword has a lot more volume. Let's see if I can see more of this. But basically you can see what has different views, which one what doesn't, honestly. So in my opinion, this is a great tool. I've used this for my marketing blogs. You might go, oh, marketing is a very saturated area, and honestly it is, and it gives you the SEO difficulty. So you want to kind of balance the SEO difficulty to be a bit more in the green area and having a high volume. And it's really about just doing searches and just trying to find that kind of gold nugget where the SEO difficulty is low but the volume is still kind of high. And that comes with a lot of long tail keyword searching. So searching for keywords with longer than 3 words, for example. So going beyond that, maybe searching for keywords with 5 words. For example, bicycle for hire near me is a long tail keyword because there's 5 words. But this is a great tool for anyone that has a small business startup. If you have a website, honestly, then you need to use this tool. So yeah, definitely check this out and just have a play around with it. Tool number 3 is Canva. Now, Canva, you might be going, Richard, that's a graphics design tool, you suck. Well, let me tell you something. If you're writing articles online, if you're writing if you're doing YouTube, if you're doing even stuff around your website, your emails, you need some creative, okay? And if your creative sucks, well, your whatever content is gonna suck. So Canva's a great tool to use. It's really quick. When I first discovered Canva, I was like, holy crap, because I used to do everything on Illustrator, and God, that took too much time. And I still use Illustrator for certain things, but Canva is where I want to create quick things, right? And honestly, if you haven't used it already, I'll do a little quick demo again. So ignore this messiness, but if you want to create, for example, presentations, Instagram stories, desktops, book covers, YouTube thumbnails, oh my God, everything's here, okay? So let's do a quick YouTube thumbnail, and you can just choose some designs. Obviously, I have a free version right now. I used to have a paid version, but let's say, I'll do this one because I'm doing, I'm not sure what I really want to do here. But let's say you can always change your name. So let's say marketing blog, could be a marketing vlog here. You would obviously put your own image and drag it in, and change this around, and you can, you can obviously move that, and then you can change the colors here. Let's do a bit of yellow, so that becomes a little, do black. I don't like, that thing, so I'll do Arial. And I decided to breathe some life into it, right? Like, this looks better than 80% of the thumbnails online. Marketing vlog, day in the life, a marketing manager. And that's obviously a lot of writing, which obviously I wouldn't be normally doing, but just this is an example. And yeah, I've already started, messing around with it. If I just need to add a picture here, it'll look a lot more better. I can even make this, let's put some effects on it, put some shadow on it. Oh, that looks pretty good now. And honestly, there's so much stuff you can do. And you can, if this was in Illustrator, it would have taken me at least, 10 to 20 minutes. This was done literally in this video, and I did it without even thinking about it. I just decided to do YouTube thumbnail. It wasn't scripted, and that's how easy it is. So definitely check it out. Canva is a really awesome tool for all your digital marketing, especially if you need creative, email banners and stuff like that. So yeah, definitely check it out if you haven't been using it. As a small business owner, this is one of your key tools that you should be using. And that's it, 3 quick digital marketing tools that you need to be using. Once again, Canva might not be, that digital marketing tool you might be thinking of, but in my opinion, it's probably my most used tool out of everything, and I'm a digital marketer day in, day night out. So definitely go check it out. Hopefully this helps, and leave a comment on what other tools or other video ideas you want to see. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully don't forget to like and subscribe.